Hi, this is Alan Ellis with DeGuire Paperless Property Management Company in Fort Worth, serving the North Texas area. Today's blog is the most common lawsuits against landlords in Fort Worth and how to prevent them. One of the most common lawsuits is wrongful eviction. When landlords or property managers do not follow proper procedures, this can result in a wrongful eviction. Evictions policies and procedures vary from state to state and city to city. Tenants can also sue for damages, court costs, attorney fees, and more. So make sure you have a valid reason for your eviction and follow your proper eviction procedures. Another reason is breach of quiet enjoyment. Not only is this one of the most common lawsuits, but it's probably also the most abused provision of the residential lease. Causes of this is interruption of utilities, such as electricity or water, for a violation of the lease agreement. Inappropriate entry into the tenant's property without giving timely and proper notice. Letting someone else in the property without notice or consent. Or violation of privacy through gossip. Give tenants the privacy that they deserve, and make sure you give them due notice when you plan to enter the property or for whatever reason. Another common reason for lawsuits is the habitability or livability. Officials call it the breach of implied warranty of habitability. One of the more common lawsuits is that landlords have to deal with. But make sure your property is always livable, and address any repairs in a timely manner. Of course, then we have the fair housing laws and fair housing discrimination. Know exactly what you can and cannot say when you're renting a property. I'm going to give you 10 suggestions to prevent lawsuits. One is always screen tenants properly. Know the law. Treat them all fairly. Number 2, always show respect to the prospective tenant or your actual tenant. Number 3, document everything. Recent surveys in different type of courts have showed that tenants do a much better job of documentation than what landlords or property managers do. Number 4, always keep tenants informed. Even if a repair is going to take a few days, sometimes it's just the lack of communication that can eventually lead to a lawsuit. Always provide a safe and secure property. Stay on top of repairs. Know the law. Know the property codes. Always be available. Number 9, reward good behavior. We spend so much time sometime with a problem tenant, and we ignore the good behavior and the good tenants. And never be afraid to ask for professional advice. This has been Alan Ellis with DeGuire Paperless Property Management Company in Fort Worth. Any questions on today's blog, please give us a call, and have a great day.